Apart from blood circulation, our circulatory system consists of another system known as lymphatic system. Here lymph is transported from body tissues to blood. While lymph is transporting from the tissues, it collects the waste materials formed in the tissues and added into the blood. So the lymphatic system is like a supportive system to the blood circulatory system. Let us discuss how this lymphatic system is made up of. So anatomy of lymphatic system. So it consists of these following parts. The first one is the lymph. So lymph is a fluid connective tissue like blood, but it varies with the blood, whereas blood composed of red blood cells, white blood cells and plasma. It is almost looks like plasma only, a white color fluid. It almost like plasma, but it varies with plasma also. It contains less amount of nutrients and proteins comparatively to plasma. Mostly lymph is composed of lymphocytes. So lymphocytes are the white blood cells. So with that lymph looks like appears in a white color. And the second one, lymph capillaries. So just now I told you lymphatic system originate or starts from the body tissues. So the cells, interstitial spaces, the fluid present in the interstitial spaces, interstitial fluid we call, so where the capillaries will arise. So the difference between lymph capillaries and blood capillaries is blood capillaries has no end. So whereas lymph capillaries has a blunt end. They arise from the body tissues between the cells. So they have a blunt end and they are very thin than the blood capillaries and they are covered with a single endothelium layer. So the lymphatic system starts with the lymph capillaries, and lymph capillaries arise from the body tissues from the interstitial spaces. Fine. Then lymph capillaries unite and form the vessels known as lymph vessels. They looks like blood vessels only, but somewhat different anatomically. So lymph vessels are formed by uniting the many capillaries. Like veins and arteries also in the same way, here also lymph vessels. So lymph vessels unite and join at the junctions of many lymph vessels form an oval or round structures known as lymph nodes. This is very important. So for example, these are the lymph vessels. So all the lymph vessels have the junctions. So those are called as lymph nodes. As our lymph nodes are categorized into mainly 4 types. So from bottom I'm going to explain you. So at knee region, the lymph nodes are known as popliteal nodes. Popliteal nodes. The nodes of lymph nodes formed at knee region, and again they travel, they continues and forms another nodes at a thigh region known as inguinal nodes. Inguinal lymphatic nodes. Inguinal lymphatic nodes. Then here from the hands, all the lymph is collected from the hands. They are unite and form the lymph nodes at a shoulder region known as axillary nodes. Axillary nodes. And the lymph collected from the head region, from the both left and right sides. So those are also formed the nodes. Those are called as cervical nodes. Cervical nodes. I repeat you: cervical nodes, axillary nodes, and inguinal nodes, and popliteal nodes. So node is a junction of vessels, lymph vessels. So all the capillaries unite and form the vessel. All the vessels join the junction of vessels known as the lymph nodes. Then all the lymph nodes connected to 2 chief lymphatic ducts, major ducts known as lymphatic ducts. These are the left side duct and right side duct. The left side lymphatic duct is known as thoracic duct. which is actually a chief lymphatic duct. All the lymph is drained into thoracic duct only, and even right side also there, but a lesser amount of lymph comparative to thoracic duct. So this right and left two lymphatic ducts connected to blood vessels, especially for example, this is the heart, block diagram of heart. This is superior vena cava. So superior vena cava has two branches known as subclavian veins. So two subclavian veins unite and form the superior vein. Superior vein connected into right atrium. So the left side thoracic duct connected to left subclavian, and right side right lymphatic duct connected to right subclavian vein. So here all the lymph collected from all the tissues is drained into the subclavian vein. So subclavian vein receives lymph here, and later with the blood and this lymph is reached to the right atrium and so on. So this is lymphatic system. Thank you.